Hello children, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. In this video, I would like to teach you chapter 16 patterns. What is a pattern? The design or property that repeats is called a pattern. Once again, the design or property that repeats is called property. Properties are everywhere around us. We see them on sands, on marbles, on carpets, on windows, on grills, and even in nature. Properties are of two kinds. They are verbal property, non-verbal property. Verbal property. The patterns formed based on letters or numbers are called verbal patterns. The patterns formed based on figures or pictures or geometrical shapes are called non-verbal pattern. Patterns are of two kinds. They are verbal pattern, non-verbal pattern. In verbal pattern, the patterns formed based on letters or numbers. Letters or numbers. Letters or numbers. Non-verbal patterns. Non-verbal pattern means patterns formed based on figures or pictures or due to their geometrical shapes. Figures or pictures. Letters. Example: A, B, C. Write more. We can write A, B after D, E. We can write like this. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write so many. Here figures. These are circles. Like this only come next. We can write, we can draw so many here. Example 1, example 2. We can draw so many. Very often patterns formed based on some rules. Some patterns repeat. Some patterns keep increasing. Some patterns keep decreasing. Let us see few examples for this. Some patterns repeat. In letters pattern, M, 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 M. Like this only come on design. Number pattern. Zero, zero, zero. Like this only come next. Non-verbal patterns. Example, semicircle. Like this only come next. Or triangle. Like this only come next. Or squares. Like this only come next. Or circles. Like this only come next. So some patterns repeat. Some patterns repeat. Second one, some patterns keep increasing. Some pattern keep increasing. In letter pattern, letters pattern, A, C, E, here A, B, C, here plus 1, A, B, A, after B, B, C. Next letter coming. E, F, G, H, I. So like this will come. Letter pattern increasing. Number pattern. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Increasing order. One more example. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Here, non-verbal pattern. Example. Like this, size increasing. Or like this, figures increasing. 1 figure, 2 figures, 3 figures, next 4 figures, like this increase, or sides increasing. Triangle, square, like this 5 sides figure and 6 sides figure, like this increasing. So some patterns keep increasing in letters, in numbers, in figures. So size increasing, number increasing, number of sides increasing. So these are the some patterns keep increasing, some patterns keep decreasing. Some patterns keep decreasing. Let us see examples. Letters pattern. Z, Z, Y, X, W, and so on. Numbers pattern. Examples: 500, 400, 300, 200, and so on. Number pattern. Some pattern keep decreasing. This is the decreasing order. Next, non-verbal pattern. Keep decreasing. Size. So size decreasing like this. Number of figures decreasing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4. Here 3. Next here 2. Next 1 will come. So these are the patterns in this chapter. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.